Get his nails cut, and Bailey came for the ride. He loves it. Her not so much. I put her bed there and she just lays there the whole time. And he goes side to side. Hey Milo, got your nails all cut? And I pretty much just bought this SUV just to do this. Bring him to get his nails cut. Milo, in the back. Get in the back. In the back. Alright, now for the car stuff. Okay, so these are the LEDs that I got. I bought a set for the girlfriend's car, 8th gen Accord. I'll make another video installing those just for you 8th gen guys if you do watch. And for the TL. So it says there's 72 LEDs, but I counted them and there's only 68 I believe, or 62. So, but the other one was 48, so either way, I don't know why it says 72. There's not 72, unless I'm missing something. So there's a little controller here. You can change all the colors. It goes to the music. I will leave the description in the link below. And yeah, so it is, all my links are .ca, but most stuff ships from the US anyway. So if you are from the US and you do order, it is going to be a lot cheaper than what you see, because your dollar's worth $1.30 something compared to our dollar. So anyways, I'll go install these and show you what they look like later on tonight. And then this does plug into your lighter port, so it's not going to be really hidden. That might be in the way. You can, if you're good with wires, splice the wire, attach it to your fuse box somehow, but I don't know how to do that, and I'm not going to attempt and screw something up. So anyways, and my car is a pigsty, but I don't care because it's winter and I don't have a garage, and this is what happens with all the salt. Everything just gets filthy. So I'm not detailing it every week. As you can see up there, it's kind of dirty, so I'm gonna wipe that down. And then for the back, I'm not sure if the adhesive will stick on the carpet here, but it's pretty much the only place that it can go, I think, is right on the carpet. So anyways, oh, I'm pumped for nighttime. There we go. My old Fusion Sport used to have these from the factory and in the cup holders, and I missed it so much because it's so dark when you're driving. Some people call this rice, but once you have it, I mean, it makes night driving so much better. And oh, and another thing is the adhesives don't really stick that great. It did on that side, but this side I'm having problems. It is like in the minuses, so the glue's really not sticking that good. It's probably because of the cold. As you can see there, it's peeling off. Yeah. So anyways, I cranked the heat, hoping to get some heat going under there and it'll stick better, but I'm gonna finish installing the back, and yeah. That's cool, right? Haha, yeah. And there's like different settings. Should have probably cut my fingernails before making a video. Yeah, it's not bad. Doesn't really go to the beat though, it just kind of flashes. I guess it kind of goes, when you shut off the music it doesn't read it as much, but anyways, I find that pretty cool. Make the night driving better. So I'm gonna finish installing and then I'll pick up the video after. Okay, so we got them all installed. Now this one here stuck the best. Now what you gotta do is make sure it's warm, because if it's cold it doesn't work. But I just held it there with both hands until it stuck. Then all I did for the cord was I kind of pushed it up in there, Pass it through there, pushed it in there, and pass it underneath. Now for right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of tape and I'm gonna tape it along under there so you can't really see it. It'll be out of the way. But there's not really, I don't think there's any way of getting around this ghetto setup here, unless, like I said, you can wire it to the fuse box somehow. But other than that, I'm just gonna tape that. But for now, I'm crushed for time, so I'm not gonna do it. So for the back here, unfortunately, there's nowhere to stick these except for right on the carpet of the chair. So all I did was hold it here with both hands until it stuck, and it seems to be staying. For how long, I do not know, but it's staying for now, so we'll see. And then the wires, all I did was pass it under my WeatherTech mats, so you can't even see any wires coming out the back. Same thing here, there's nowhere to stick it other than the carpet on the back of the seat, so unfortunately that sucks, but other than that, works pretty good. For the driver's side here, it wasn't sticking on this side too great, but 1, 2, 3. So it wasn't sticking here great, so I just held it there, cranked up the heat. Now there's heat coming out of here, so it did stick better. But if you have a heated garage, it'll probably stick way better. And same thing there, just passed the cord under, pushed it in here, pushed it through there, and then it comes out through here. So yeah, other than that, that's the finished product. So yeah, the only thing I don't like that is the remote doesn't read unless that is sticking up, so that's kind of a pain because I kind of wanted to hide it under the seat, but you can't unless you just keep one color, which I probably will do anyways because I like blue. So but yeah, the girlfriend's probably gonna keep it on purple. She don't drive my car, the Accord I mean. Oh, and there's a brightness, so you can up the brightness. I don't know why it's flashing like that. Maybe it just means it's as bright as it can go. So you can just kind of, I don't really know how these work, jump. Obviously I don't want flashing lights while I'm driving, but maybe the fade is, you could do that and it just fades to different colors, I believe. So yeah. Anyways, for 20 bucks, you can't really go wrong. I think it's $18.99 for the 48 LEDs. I'm not sure if there's actually 48 because I got 72 and there's only like 68, I believe. So, but I'm not going to complain about that. So, anyways, 20 bucks, $21.99 plus tax. For 2 sets, it came to $43, I believe, shipped and everything. With Amazon Prime. So like I said, I'll have the link in the description below if you want to check it out. You can do so, and it's a great little thing to have. If you never had lights under, it's not rice. It makes the driving so much better at nighttime, and obviously it'd look way better if I washed my WeatherTech mats first, but I didn't. So anyways, that's that, and I'll pick up the video later tonight to show you guys. Copyrighted. So yeah, you can switch through the colors. It's hard to do while driving, but I like blue, so I'll probably keep it on blue most of the time. It's not that bright. You can set the dimming too, so you can dim them out and make them brighter, but this is as bright as they get. And there's white. White's pretty bright. That green's pretty bright. That blue's pretty bright, but I like this blue. And you can put it to your tunes, but doesn't really go to the tunes, it just flashes. So hopefully I have no epileptic passengers. So they come to like $18.99, and then you can, there's 2 options, 48 LEDs or 72. These are the 72, so don't forget to, if you do order them, make sure you click the 72 if you want more lights. But like I was saying earlier, there's actually only 60 something even though it says 72. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, feel free to comment, share, and I will see you next time. Thanks.